بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين. Have you seen the one who denies the recompense?
Now, before that, if we could just ask you, if you could just swap those two, that one there for me, please. It's okay, I don't strictly need it, but if you could just swap it with this one, please. That one finished. And just manually restart it again. Just manually like we do for the class. Now, that's it. Yeah. Okay, excellent. Start the surah again.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين. Have you seen the one who denies the recompense?
No.
فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم. For that is the one who drives away the orphan.
And that's what you expect from the one who denies Yawm al-Din.
ولا يحض على طعام المسكين, and does not encourage the feeding of the poor. فويل للمصلين. So woe to those who pray.
And if you don't take the next ayah, you'll not understand. And Allah says that the hellfire or destruction will be for the people who pray. Which people who pray? The next ayah.
الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون, but who are heedless of their prayer.
And the people who don't pray on time, they delay their prayer, they don't care if they miss their prayer, as long as nobody sees them, they don't mind missing their prayer or they don't mind delaying their prayer from its proper time.
الذين هم يراءون, those who make show of their deeds.
Riya, and they show off, minor shirk.
وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ, and withhold simple assistance.
Like in here, the riya of the munafiqeen is major shirk, not minor shirk. Any minor shirk is when it's done by a Muslim who shows off in something of their deeds. But the people who do all of their deeds for other people, which is the munafiq, who does all of their deeds for other people, then this is major shirk, because they're not praying to Allah and making a mistake by showing their prayer to someone else to make them think good of them. But they actually, every prayer they do is for the benefit of the people. For this is shirkun akbar. And they stop people from small assistance, like giving someone some salt, or could you give me a glass of water? Any small things that nobody should mind to give somebody else. Could I take from you a small amount of salt? Could I take a glass of water? They stop people from that. Because why? If you disbelieve in Yawm al-Qiyamah, you will not care about what you do to people in this dunya.